So dear students, in our last class we discussed how to determine or how to draw the shear force and bending moment diagram for a simply supported beam. Now today we are going to learn how to draw the SFD and BMD in case of a cantilever when point load is acting. So I have taken the example, we have a cantilever ABC of length 2 meter. 2 point loads of 10 kilonewton and 20 kilonewton are acting at point A and B. So dear students, while we take the example of cantilever or we do any numerical related to cantilever, we need not to determine the value of reactions. We will directly start taking section for SFD. So in this question you can see that total two sections are there. One is between A and B and another one is between B and C. So first of all we have taken the section between A and B. Now while moving from right side, the force up to the section is only 10 kilonewton, which is downward, so it will be taken as positive. So equation for this section will be Fx equal to plus 10. Now put x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. So you will get x equal Fa equal to 10 and Fb equal to 10. Now we will take another section between B and C. So in this case, up to the section we are having now 2 point loads, 10 kilonewton and 20 kilonewton, both are acting downward. So the new equation will be Fx equal to plus 10 plus 20, that is 30. Now put x equal to 1 and x equal to 2. So you will get Fb equal to 30 and Fc equal to 30. Now for drawing the SFD, we will draw a reference line ABC of same length 2 meter. We will mark the points A, B and C on the line. Now positive values will be drawn in upward direction and negative values will be drawn in downward direction. So at point A we have force 10 and at point B also we have force 10. So we have drawn this straight line with no slope 10 10. Now again at point B, as 20 kilonewton force acted downward, the new value of Fb became 30. So we will go upside and will mark the point 30. Then at point C also we have the value of Fc as 30, so we will draw this straight line with no slope. So in this way we can draw the shear force diagram for this cantilever. Now for drawing bending moment diagram, we will again take the section between A and B. Now the equation for this section will be mx equal to minus 10x. Now why minus? Because the 10 kilonewton force is trying to rotate the beam in clockwise direction, and I already told you during sign convention that if we move from right side, the clockwise forces are taken as negative, so its movement will be minus 10x. Now put x equal to 0 and x equal to 1, you will get ma 0 and mb minus 10. Now take another section between B and C. Now while we take section between B and C, two forces are acting now. Both are trying to rotate the body in clockwise direction, so movement will be negative. Now minus 10 into x, equation for this section will be minus 10 into x minus 20 into total distance is x. From B to A we have 1, so this distance from B to the section will be x minus 1. So the moment of 20 will be 20 into x minus 1. So our equation for this section is mx equal to minus 10x minus 20 x minus 1. Now put the values x equal to 1 and x equal to 2. You will get mb equal to minus 10 and mc equal to minus 40. So for drawing these values, first of all we will again draw the reference line, mark the points A, B and C on this line. Now we will mark the values. At point A we have 0 value, at point B we have minus 10 value, and the equation for this section is minus 10x, which is the equation of a straight line. So we will join these 2 points 0 and minus 10 with a straight line. Now again between B and C, MB is minus 10 and MC is minus 40, and the equation is again of a straight line. So we will join these two forces minus 10 and minus 40 with a straight line. So in this way we can draw the bending moment diagram for any cantilever with point load. So this is the process how we will draw the SFD and BMD for cantilevers with point loads. Thank you everyone.